Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about nuclear weapons of Turkey. But before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Now let's start the video. Turkey official Republic of is a transcontinental country located mainly on the Anatolian Peninsula in Western Asia with a small portion on the Balkan Peninsula in South Europe. It shares borders with the Black Sea to the north, Georgia to the nearest, Armenia, Azerbaijan and Iran to the east, Iraq to the southeast, Syria and Mediterranean Sea to the south, Aegean Sea the west and the Greece, Bulgaria to the northwest. Cyprus is located off the south coast, Turkey from the west. Majority of nation population and Kurds are the largest minority. Ankara is Turkey capital while Istanbul is its largest city and financial center. One of the world's earliest permanently settled region, present-day Turkey was home to important Neolithic sites like geological type and was inhabited by the ancient civilizations including the Hattian, Anatolian peoples, Mycenaean, Greeks and others following the conquest of Alexander Great with the started the Hellenistic period. Most of the ancient region in modern Turkey were culturally Helsined with the continued during the Byzantine era. The Seljuk Turks began majority in the 11th century and the Sultanate of the Rum ruled Anatolia until the Mongol invasion in 2043 when it designated into small Turkish Spainfield. Beginning in the late 13th century, the Ottomans united the participants at the country, the Balkans, and the Turkification of Anatolia increased during the Ottoman period after Mehmed II center qualification in 1453 during the region of Suleiman and Magnificent II. Ottoman Europe became a global power from the late 18th century onward. The imperial power declined with the gradual loss of territories. Muhammad II started a period of moderation in the early 19th century. The Young Turk Revolution of the 1908 restricted the authority of Sultan and destroyed the Ottoman Parliament after a 30-year suspense, undersharing the empire into the multi-party period. The 1913 Cup date put the country under the control of the three firsts who facilitated the empire's entry into the World War. I was the part of Central Powers in 1914. During the war, the Ottoman government committed suicides against its Armenian, Greek and Asian subjects after its defeat in the war to the Ottoman empires and the Persians. The Turkish War of the Independence against the occupying Allied power resulted in the abolition of the sultans. 1 November 1922, the sign of the Treaty of Lausanne, we suspend that treaty serves on 24 July 1923 and the proclamation of Republic on the 29 October 1923 with the reforms initiated by the country's first president Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. Turkey became a cellular unitary and the parliamentary republic. Turkey played a permanent role in the Korean War and joined NATO in 1952. The country enjoyed several military coups in latter half of the 20th century. The income was liberated in the 1980, leading the strong economic growth and politically stable. The parliamentary republic was replaced with the presidential system by referendum in 2017. Turkey is a regional power and the newly industrialized country with a geopolitically strategic location, its economy with the classified among the emerging and the growth leading economy, the 23rd largest in the world by the nominal GDP and the 11th largest by PP. It is the charter member of United Nations and earlier member of the NATO, the IMF and the World Bank, and the founding member of OECD, OSCE, BSEC, OIC and G20. After becoming on the earlier member of the Council of Europe in 1950, Turkey became an associate member of EEC in 1963, joined the EU Customs Union in 1995 and started negotiation with the European Union in 2005. Turkey has a rich culture agency shaped by the centuries of history and the influence of the various people that have inhabited its territory over several millennia. Is home to the 19 UNESCO World Heritage Site and is among the most visited countries in the world. The English name of Turkey from Medieval Latin means land of the Turkey. Middle English usage of the Turkey is evidence in early work called the Book of the Dungeons. The praised land of the Turkey is used in 5th century dig by Maestris. The name of Turkey is appeared by the Western source after the crash in the 14th century Arab source. In January 22, the Turkish Export the Assembly, the umbrella organisms of Turkish export, announced it would be made in Turkey and all its label in the bid studious branded and the identity of the Turkish business on the international stage using the term Turkey access all language around the world. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.